All right, so let's talk about one of the last questions that I usually get asked in my classes, and that is, Mr. Walters, how can I get some extra credit? Okay, well, first off, you cannot get extra credit without doing the actual normal work. Okay, so the first way that you can get extra credit for me, now I give standards for the assignments. If you are doing all of those, that's the assignment right there. That's the project. Okay, but if you have challenged yourself, you went above and beyond, you decided that you were going to want to add some special feature in a program, or you were going to want to do something very unique in your edit that wasn't, officially taught in the class, I will reward that with extra credit points. I like to see that you guys are going above and beyond, and you're challenging yourselves. I will give extra credit points for that. There's also two other ways that I give extra credit. Every semester we do a t-shirt design contest. Okay, so the winner and the runner-up of the t-shirt design contest get extra credit points. Okay, they actually get quite a bit extra credit points. Okay, so it's beneficial for you to spend time really designing a t-shirt design that gets voted on, that becomes popular. Okay, how are they picked? I only have one vote. It's all the other people in the classrooms. All of my classrooms, all of Redbeard production classrooms get a say in the t-shirt design. Okay, so the winner and the runner-up, they get points. Now, even if you did not win the design, if you get one of the shirts from the Fab Lab after they're produced, and you wear them to different sporting events, you could still get extra credit points. What you would need to do is you got to take a picture of yourself wearing that shirt at that event. Let me know something about that event, like what the score was, what happened, what was cool, what was not cool, something. You can send that to me, in class. You show me that. You say, hey, Mr. Walters, check this out. You show me on your phone. I'll give you extra credit points for that. Okay. Why? Because I want to instill some esprit de corps, a sense of community, not just for this classroom, but for Licking Heights. Okay. So if you're going to different events and you guys are, showing up, that's a good thing. I want to reward that. Okay. So that is one of the ways. The other way, now, if you're in computer programming, and if you're in film production, I want to reward giving and receiving constructive criticism. At various points in the course, we have competitions or beta tests. So for programming, you guys will be making games. You guys will end up having to have your fellow neighbors look at games and evaluate games. Okay, there are ways that you guys can earn extra credit points for that based off of giving really thorough evaluations, not something like, oh, I didn't like it, or it was pretty good, but you gave like good constructive criticism. I can reward extra credit points for that because it's something that you're giving meaningful feedback. I want to see that is happening. Okay, for film production, it's the same thing. I want to see that you're giving good constructive criticism and you're receiving good constructive criticism. So we end up having film competitions where you guys are going in like a bracket challenge against each other based off of a submission of a video edit that you guys did. Okay, and based off of that, we vote off of criteria. So if you guys are, I'm looking to see that the criteria is being followed, but the winners of those film competitions end up winning some extra credit points too. Okay, and then that goes and helps you guys' grades out. So that's the ways that I do extra credit in my classroom. Okay, by going above and beyond the normal standards, designing the t-shirt, the winning t-shirt or the runner-up, wearing those t-shirts to outings, and either winning the film competitions or giving really, really good constructive criticism, and we end up having a popular vote for a game. Okay? All right. That's all that I got for this class. I'm excited for you guys to be spending the semester with me. Good luck. Have fun. I hope to learn a lot with you guys.